is my shawty. Whoa, oh, 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 this is my shawty. Whoa, oh, 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 this is my shawty. Whoa, oh, 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 this is my shawty. This is my shawty. This is my shawty.
Hi, you've reached Bri. I can't get to the phone right now, but please leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Hi, Bri. This is Mom. Just calling to say hi and see how your day is going. And I had one little question for you. Where is my video? I've been looking for it all day. Well, I'll be checking again soon. Love you. Have a good evening.
Uh-oh. When YouTubers make a video schedule, there's a few things to think about. 1. Availability. Is your schedule realistic with your human life day-to-day schedule? 2. Content. Do you have any good ideas and do you think you have enough to pump them out every so many days? 3. Committed. Are you ready to make one of the biggest commitments of your entire life? One thing I never considered when making a video schedule was failing at my own tutorial. I was leaving for an event last weekend and I thought it would be a great idea to try at-home dip powder nails. And after almost an hour on Pinterest and surfing the web, I got my confidence up and said, yes, I can do this. I went to get supplies, but then I knew after leaving a store very far away and then forgetting 3 crucial items in my bag, this was going to be a much bigger challenge than I thought. After failing miserably at home and making lots of mistakes, I decided that I wasn't going to stop there. After an hour of soaking my hands in the death liquid and missing Tuesday's video, I decided to give it another try and I'm pleased with the results. Today, I'm going to show you guys, based on my fail and my rise to B- success, what not to do when giving yourself an at-home manicure with fake nails and what I've learned in this process. The first thing you want to do is fit the tip nail you're going to attach to your actual nail and see if it's the right width. Then notice how there's this curvature in the tip. That's where your actual nail is going to fit. So you want to shape your nail to make sure that it fits there as well. Then you want to shape the edge of the tip because our nails tend to grow a little bit slimmer and then outward. These are the 10 tips that I selected from the Kiss long tip nail set.
Alright, alright, alright!
And then basically I'm going to attach them to my natural nail. Then I'm going to use the nail safe adhesive and attach the tip to my natural nail where you see, and I'm going to press the top and the sides of the nail until it feels secure and continue this throughout my entire hand. And it's going to look something like this with the Shanae nail.
Oh my goodness! If it isn't Little Miss Attitude.
And then I'm going to clip the ends to my desired length. Because my nails grow really fast, I'm going to cut these pretty low. But when I do my fill, I know that they'll be back at a normal kind of coffin shaped length. And yeah, so that's my initial shape. I achieved this by just cutting the right and left edge off of each tip. Don't be scared, it's going to get a lot better as time goes because I'm going to use this file and I'm going to use that to create the actual coffin shape. There are a lot of good videos on this. Again, this is not a tutorial, I'm just sharing my experience with what I've learned from doing this process more than once now. And I'm just gonna keep filing, just keep filing, just keep filing until I get the best shape that I can, you know, and you need a little bit of patience with this just to get it as you want it. And this is how the shape kind of came out after I was done. The next thing I want to do is even out my natural nail with that line of demarcation that you see with the tip. So I'm going to apply bond to my natural nail only, and this is the Kiara Sky Dip Powder Kit, so it comes with all these steps included. This one's a little pricey. There's also the Serendipity Kit at Walmart that I heard was also pretty good for a little bit cheaper. And then there's S&S and some other popular brands. I just suggest doing research to find what's best for you. Then I'm going to take the adhesive base, this is what the powder sticks to, and I'm going to just apply that a little bit over the edge of the tip and on my natural nail. And as you can see, this creates this barrier because when I file to even these out, I don't want to file my natural nail. Then I'm going to use the Seal and Protect, and that seals it, makes it really hard so I can file and buff until the nail is the exact shape I want. And as you can see, they're a lot smoother now. And now this created a good base for me to apply my dip powder polish. So now I'm going to apply the base to my entire nail. This means I'm doing my first official coat of the dip powder, and I'm using this cream kind of see-through color that I found. I thought it was really a pretty nude, and I'm going to do that twice to my entire hand, well, both of my hands. And basically I'm going to do it twice because I want it to be really opaque. And I use this glitter powder on my ring finger on each hand because I thought it was going to be really, really pretty. So for the first coat, I did the cream, and then I did the glitter on the second coat for the ring finger. But I learned that dipping my finger upside down actually created a much smoother effect, and then also putting a very thin layer of the base on helps a lot too, because if your base is a little bit all over the place, so will the powder. So you want to create the base as smooth as you can, but work very fast also. And this is kind of what the powder looks like after just having it there. Then I'm going to apply the Seal and Protect layer after dusting off excess powder. After this very important step, I add the Seal and Protect, which gives my nails that strength and hardens the powder to make it last for 21 days. That's why a lot of people love the powder, because it lasts for almost a month. Then I'm going to take my electric file and just smooth out the nail to the shape that I want it, especially on the top base of the nail. You can completely do this manually, guys. You don't have to use an electric file. I use an electric file because it's just a little bit quicker, to be honest. And also this powder is so thick and so tough that it's really not damaging my natural nail at all. It's just, you know what I mean? I'm using a fine bit drill. Then I'm going to go in with the top coat from the Kiara Sky dip powder kit, and basically that's going to add a little shine. And then after that, I'm going to add the essential oil that comes with the kit after all the nails are completely dry. And that's what's going to help, you know, restore the cuticles and keep them nice and healthy after this process we have gone through. If you notice my cuticles are a little red or like that area, is just because I soaked off my old polish. So, you know, they healing, but I'm really overall happy with how this came out, guys, and this was only my second attempt, so I plan to get better and keep practicing until I become a pro at this. Let me know what you guys think. Have you ever had any nail fails? If so, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and bearing with me during these times, and yeah, love you guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.